So if you are looking for a way to share your student blog template with your students, and you have not done so already, if you use Canvas, there is a way, and it is quite simple. So in your Canvas course, you will go to Assignments. When in Assignments, you are going to add a new assignment. You're going to type in the name of the assignment. You're going to make sure points are set if you would like points to be involved, and whatever categories and settings. So normally the submission type is in the online category. You want to make sure it's an external tool. Click Find, and you're looking for the Google Docs Cloud assignment. When you click on that, it is going to pull up your Google Drive. You may have to authorize it if you've never done so before. Scroll down and find my blogging template, and click Submit, and then click Select. After I select my due date, and click Save and Publish. This is sort of what your students will find. If they open up the assignment, it'll open up a window that looks like this. They also can click on this link right here, and that will open up the file as well. It has been added to their Google Drive as well, and they can rename it as however you want them to rename it.